Protect your tablet from scratches, drops, and daily wear with this amazing sleeve. Discover the perfect accessory for your tablet and learn how to keep it like new with this must-have sleeve. Whether you're on the go or a busy professional, this sleeve is designed to provide ultimate protection and style. Watch now and find out why this sleeve is a must-have for any tablet owner. Number 1. MoKo 9 to 11-inch Puffy tablet sleeve bag fit with new 11-inch iPad Pro M4/iPad Air M2, iPad 10th Gen 10.9, iPad Pro 11, iPad Air 4 5th Gen 10.9, built-in elastic band, PU leather carrying case, sand. Brand MoKo, color sand, compatible devices tablets, form factor bag, shell type soft, customer reviews 4.7 out of 5 stars, 232, 4.7 out of 5 stars. About this item. Universal sleeve. The tablet sleeve bag fits most 9 to 11-inch tablets compatible with new 11-inch iPad Pro M4 2024, new 11-inch iPad Air M2 2024, iPad 10th Gen 10.9-inch 2022, iPad Pro 11 2021/2022, iPad Air 4 5th Gen 10. 9-inch 2020/2022, iPad 7/8/9th Gen 10.2, 2019 to 2021, Galaxy Tab S9 11 2023, Galaxy Tab S8 11 2022, Galaxy Tab A8 10.5 2022, Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 10.4 2022/2020, Google Pixel Tablet 11 2023 and other 9-11 tablets. Number 2. Zugu case for iPad Pro 11, M4, 2024, slim protective cover with Apple Pencil holder, auto wake/sleep, multiple viewing angles, iPad Pro 11-inch cover, phone protector, black. Brand Zugu case, color black, compatible devices iPad Pro 11, M4, 2024, iPad Pro 11, models A2836, A2837, and A3006, form factor case, shell type hybrid, customer reviews 4.6 out of 5 stars, 771. About this item. Elegant defense, lasting style, transform your iPad experience with Zugu's ultra-slim case, offering robust 5-foot drop protection while maintaining a sophisticated look. Our iPad Pro 11 case features a refined design that complements your device's sleek appearance, blending durability with timeless elegance. Stay effortlessly and confidently protected. Adaptive stand for every occasion, from presentations to recipe browsing, our 8-angle magnetic stand ensures stability and convenience wherever you are. Seamlessly transition between activities with confidence, knowing your iPad is supported in style. Number 3. tomtoc 360 protective tablet sleeve for iPad Pro 13-inch, M4, 2024, iPad Air 13-inch, M3/M2, 2025, iPad Pro 12.9-in, 6th/5th/4th/3rd generation, with Magic Keyboard, water-resistant iPad case bag. Brand tomtoc, color black, compatible devices 13-inch iPad Air, M3, 2025/M2, 2024, 12.4-inch Surface Laptop Go, 12.9-inch iPad Pro, 6th/5th/4th/3rd generation, December 3rd, 13-inch Surface Pro, 13-inch iPad Pro, M4, 202,413-inch iPad Air, M3, 2025/M2, 2024, 12.4-inch Surface Laptop Go, 12.9-inch iPad Pro, 6th/5th/4th/3rd generation, December 3rd, 13-inch Surface Pro, 13-inch iPad Pro, form factor sleeve, case, bag, pouch, cover shell type soft, customer reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars, 23,870. About this item. Military-grade protection, to combat the toughest situations, from falls to shocks to vibrations, tomtoc proposed the concept of 360 protection and designed the tablet sleeve with corner armor technology, high resilience edges, and high-density soft padding. It passed the military standard drop test while also maintaining a sleek design. Number 4. MoKo 7 to 8-inch tablet sleeve bag, polyester pouch cover case fits iPad mini, A17 Pro, 8.3-inch 2024, iPad mini 6/5/4/3/2/1, Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 8.0, Tab A 8.0, ZenPad Z8 S7.9 Black. Brand MoKo, color black, compatible devices Apple iPad mini 6 form factor pouch, shell type hard, customer reviews, 4.7 out of 5 stars. About this item. Compatibility. The universal polyester sleeve bag is compatible with most 7 to 8-inch tablet, such as new iPad mini, A17 Pro, 8.3-inch 2024, iPad mini 8.3 1/2/3/4/5/6, Tab 4 8.0, Samsung Galaxy S2 8.0, Tab E 7.0/8.0, Tab A 8.0, Tab 4 8.0, Y88X Plus/Y88X/Y88, ZenPad Z8 S7.9, new Tab 7, etc. High quality, made of premium polyester and high-density fluff lining, the sleeve pouch case is abrasion-resistant, dust-proof and splash-resistant. Protect your device from being scratched effectively. Number 5. MoKo 9 to 11-inch tablet sleeve bag handle carrying case with shoulder strap fits iPad Pro 11-inch, iPad 10th 10.9, iPad 9/8/7th Generation 10.2, iPad Air 5/4 10.9, iPad 9.7, Tab S8/S9 11-inch, black and gray. About this item. Compatibility. The sleeve bag is designed for most 9 to 11-inch tablets and fits smart keyboard. Fit 11-inch iPad Air M3, iPad A16 2025, new 11 iPad Pro M4/iPad Air M2 2024, iPad Pro 11 M2/M1 2022/2021, iPad Air 5/4 10.9 Gen 2022/2020, iPad 10th Gen 10.9 2022, iPad 9th/8th/7th Generation 10.2 2021/2020/2019, iPad Air, 3rd Gen, 10.5-inch 2019, iPad Pro 10.5-inch 2017, iPad 9.76th/5th Generation, 2018/2017, iPad 1/2/3/4, iPad Air/Air 2. Surface Go 2/3 10.5, Galaxy Tab S8/S9 11. Premium material, polyester exterior features wear resistant against dust and splash. Thick sponge padding protects your tablet and items from shocks, collision and being squeezed. Soft inner lining prevents scratches. High-end material gives your device a superior protection. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.